Hello, how are you? Today I want to share a message about tuning our frequency with the divine frequency. Connecting to the divine frequency is like joining a great orchestra. Our instrument is the heart. When we play with kindness, patience, and calmness, our vibration rises and harmonizes with the divine vibration. But when we turn away from goodness, we go out of tune and disconnect from this celestial orchestra. Just like a radio must be tuned to the right frequency to receive a clear signal, we must align our thoughts, words, and actions with goodness. Love, kindness, patience are like the dials that fine-tune our heart's frequency. But when fear, anger, or doubt fill our hearts, the frequency distorts and the connection with the divine is lost. When a camera is out of focus, the image is blurry. In the same way, when our mind is distracted or our heart is hardened, we cannot clearly perceive divine guidance. Love, kindness, and calmness are the lenses that sharpen our inner vision, making our spiritual sight clear and bright. Think of a compass. To point north correctly, it needs to be calibrated. Our inner compass works the same way. When we calibrate the heart with love, truth, and humility, we can navigate life with divine direction. If a scale is unbalanced, it gives the wrong results. This also happens when we are emotionally reactive or spiritually disconnected. But when we center ourselves in love, calmness, and kindness, divine mercy restores balance and allows divine wisdom to flow through us. And just like a phone battery that must be charged, our heart also needs to be nourished. The more love, kindness, and truth we carry inside, the more light we can hold, and the stronger our connection with God becomes. Emotional blockages like anger, guilt, or resentment act like a fog that blocks the heart from feeling divine love. The ego feeds on pride, control, and fear, but divine connection flows only through humility, serenity, trust, and surrender. We all have the ability to connect with God, and it depends on the choices we make every single day. Interference can be overcome with discipline, love, and the daily work of becoming a little better than we were yesterday. This is today's message. May all of us be blessed with the grace of divine consciousness and love. Thank you so much.